Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adeoke Mary. In this channel, I create the content on website design, digital marketing, and how to make money online. If you are interested in this topic, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you can notify whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let me show you how to make this money on this platform. The platform I'm going to show you is Seller. How to make 5,000 naira daily by promoting other people's products on Seller. Let me quickly go to my Seller account and show you how step-by-step method on how you can do this stuff, how you can promote products on Seller and make money. It's very easy. Don't even all the money you have to spend is 1,000 naira to register on Seller, and you started promoting hot products. Let me show you my Seller account. So this is Seller. Go to Seller. This is my Seller. Let me log into my dashboard. As you can see, 5,450 number of sales, 5,450. This is how you are going to. As you can see, this money I make 5,450 from Seller by promoting other people's products. This is how you are going to start this Seller. How to promote other people's products by using Seller. Kindly go to your Chrome, then click on affiliate.seller.go. See, because I already register, so you are just seeing this, just click on get started, and it's going to bring the registration form on how you can get started. The amount you are going to use is 1,000 naira. You're going to spend 1,000 naira to register on this account. Because I already register on Seller, that's why I can able to see all these things. So once you register, you are going to see your marketplace where you can see products. Let me search for. This is how you are going to see hot products. This is hot. Let me show you. As you can see, this product is hot product. See this product. Two products is hot product. See this product. Any product that's making sales every time. That's what. There's a lot of products here you can promote on Seller. See many products. This is marketplace. See this product. Let's click on this product. This product is give you how many commission. Just click on this get affiliate link. If you promote this product, it's going to give you 20% commission. Let me come down here and see hot products you can promote and give you a lot of money. See this product here. Amazon KDP is hot product. It's selling right now. 0 to 0 affiliate. This one is 60,000 naira. It's selling its hot product. Let's click on it. 0 to 0. See how many sales? 5,909 sales. As you can see, this product is hot product. Let's click on this one is 50% commission. If you promote this product, it's going to give you 50%, which is 30,000 naira. And this is crazy. See this one too. This one is 20,000 naira too. This one is 20,000 naira, and this person already said this product 376 says. Let's click on get affiliate link. This one too is 50% commission. This product is 20,000 naira. If you promote this product, it's going to give you 10,000 naira commission. Same with this product too. This one has make a lot of sales, like 1,228 sales, as you can see. And this one too is 50% commission. See, 50% commission. If you promote this product, all you have to do is just click on if you see product that you can promote that solve problem, just make sure that product you are able to promote. A lot of products here. You can scroll down, you can click on this wealth and finance, going to bring a lot of products. As you can see, get funded course, this one is 10% commission, this one is high paid freelancer, this one is 60% commission, this one is Upwork mastermind, this one is 10,250. This one too is hot product. They already sold this product in 1,000 for 1,792 people. As you can see, this product is hot. This product is hot product. As you can see, this one, just click on any product that you can promote, that you see that this one too is already promote this one to 1,131 people. If you sell this product to people, like maybe you see people that like I need this, I need so something, and you don't know that thing, just come to seller and copy the link, give it to the person, so you are going to make a lot of money. So you can click on this business too. You can click on this business, how to acquire knowledge and turn it into daily cash. This one is not really hot, there is no sales here. This one is passion to profit, 49 sales. As you can see, all this product is hot products. See them. This one is hot products. If you want to sell those products, just click on get link, then copy this affiliate link. There is your affiliate link to the sales page. This is the affiliate link to the sales page. Copy it, just click on it to see the sales page, how the sales page look like. Let us know that you want to use sales page. This is affiliate link for sales page. Let's see how it look like. As you can see, this one is really hot, as in check everything out. Check how this product is going to help you. Don't just copy any product, check everything, how it's going to help people. See this product is really hot. So this one is Amazon KDP. This one, just copy this link, and once you copy the link, paste it in one place. Make sure that you paste it in one place. How are you going to promote this product? It's very simple. You can promote this product by organizing the training on WhatsApp. Like, show yourself as an expert on you can do this stuff, because this product is giving you a lot of commission. Let us know that you make 10,000 naira daily. 10,000 naira times, let me go to my calculator. 10,000 naira. Let us know that you are making 10,000 naira daily. 10,000 naira times 10. That's 100,000. It's cool cash. So you can make a lot of money by selling this product. I just copy one product and I give it to person. So you can make a lot of money selling this product, and this is advantages for you. Maybe you actually want to learn something and you don't have a lot of money. You can just copy this thing so that you can able to get like 50% commission from the product you actually want. This one too is profitable dropshipping model. You can copy it, just make a class like organizing a training, show people how to make money, like show them the offer and everything. Once they buy from you, you can promote this product through your WhatsApp. You can promote this product through Facebook ad. You can promote this product if you are good at Facebook ad. I'm going to create a video on how to open Facebook ad, on how to open Facebook ad account. You can promote this product anywhere. You can promote it. Just organize the training or pay WhatsApp TV. You can pay WhatsApp TV to run ad for you, and you make a cool cash once you make money. So you can promote this product. If anybody just wants something like, I want to learn how to do something, like maybe I want to learn how to do Amazon KDP, you can just come here and get the link and give it to the person. This is how you can able to make money on seller by selling other. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. The next video I'm going to upload is a fire. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you another way to make money online. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.